Do you know you can create a website for your business, for your classroom without any skill at all? Very easy. You just need to just know how to drag and drop images, text, and others. This is very simple and straightforward, and I'll be teaching you how to achieve this in just few minutes. So let's start immediately. So the platform we are going to be using is the Google platform. So when you get your PC, just search google.com, and we are going to where we have our Google Drive. Click on the 9 button over here, click on Drive. When you get to Drive, this is where we are going to find what is called the Google site. Google site is where exactly we are going. So I'm going to click on the word new. So when I click on the word new, it's still loading. So after clicking on the word new, I'll click on the word more. After clicking on the word more, then I will see the word Google Sites. So this is Google Sites, and this is where everything is going to be done in a very easy way. I know you are surprised about this. So let me show you how it looks like. Just like normal elemental websites, drag and drop a lot of materials and more. So let me title this websites. Let me give it a class event course. So that's the title of the website, and give it a title over here. Also, why you need to change the title is because when you want to edit, and then the name also over here title. So when you click on this part, you can change the image. So when you go to image, you can upload images and drop over here. So let's quickly get an image, and then we use over there immediately. Let me just look for a very nice image that we can adopt. So just get all your image ready before now, so that you can use. So the image is coming. Okay, the image drop below. Let me see whether if I drag it inside, whether it will drag. I'm not sure of that. So let me click back on this, add a logo. I can add a logo. I think let me start with the logo. Upload logo, desktop. Let me see whether I can find my logo like almost immediately. So you need to get almost everything ready down, add your logo, add everything you want to add. So I'm adding my logo right now, logo drop, and it has had my favorite pictures. Upload, select, and this is going to be, so it has actually dropped. Tools box, any tools box I need, custom domain startup, make your site easier to remember with a custom domain like this. That means if you want to pay, if you want to do that, you will need to add a domain. But if you don't want to pay, I think you don't need an announcement banner. I think you don't need, you just need to add everything. But the one I want us to focus on, like this now, this image, I'm trying to change this picture, but if it is not going, what I can do, delete. So the next thing, I want to add a page. So maybe I want to drop a page below here. I click on pages. Okay, I've only created home page and more. So let me go back to my home page. What other things I want to add? Maybe I need 2 images over here that talks about what I do. So I want to upload them. Maybe the image talks about who we are and any other thing. So you can also be adding all of that. So this actually is very simple. Google Sites, everything is all about drop, drag and drop, drag and drop. And I don't think you need much skill to actually, this talks about me, Odetola Ebenezer, who am I, any other thing. And the second picture, we talk about maybe some of my designs, then write up, welcome to event cut. So I'm done with that. And what other thing? Maybe I need to add one more thing. And the other things you can also add over here, a collapse. Maybe this we talks about who we are, who we are, who we are. So I'll add everything about who we have below here. So by the time they get here, it will, by the time they click on this, it will show who we have. What other thing is I need to add? Divider, map. Where are we in Nigeria? We are situated Lagos. Let me just type Lagos over here. Lagos. So I select Lagos, then it will drop Lagos. What other thing? Document, slide, maybe maybe it is a classroom, if you want, maybe the children are working on a slide, you can add that. If it is a Google form, maybe the Google form talks about fill this form to do this, register for this particular event and more. You can also add that over here. I think I have this evaluation form my platform filled some months back, so it has been added. Let me see whether they can stay beside each other. Yes, they can. So people can fill this form over here. So let me add another page. Okay, you can see change image. I have to change my header image now. So I don't actually like that previous picture. So let me change it to a picture showing scissors and yep, event cut. So this is my header and I'm satisfied with this. Yes, good. So this is my header event cut, and I can make this bold because I think I will need to make this bold and then look for a better font, maybe a very legible font that people can see, and I can change the color also. So how do you add another page? To add another page, click on pages and the plus button, you add another page. This page, let's title it about us. About us, done, and it will be created. So you can be navigating all the pages that you have over here. If you want to adopt a theme, they have so many themes that you can adopt and more. So about us, what do we do about the about us? You go back to insert. Under the insert, you can insert anything that can be used to talk about your organization. So I'm using the same method again, maybe gallery, any other thing. So this is very simple to use. Without more skill, you can create a site with the use of this. So how do you publish? To publish this, share with others. You can share with people, or let's first view our sites. Preview. Let's preview our site. So let me show you how the site will look like. This is my site, event courts, and if I scroll down, it will show everything I actually inserted. Home page. I go back to home page. It's showing everything on that home page. So you can see that it is quite funny that this is not bad at all. So you can use this to actually add your resume, your CV, any other thing that you can actually add. Then people can have access to it by just a link. So the next thing, I click on publish. The address is event courts and request public search. Okay, I want them to search my site. The next thing, publish. So the moment I publish this, it has been published successfully. Now, what's the link to access my website? The link to access my website, let me quickly show you the link to access the website. Let me do some changes. Let me add another thing. By the time I add another thing, then I will now add okay. So because of this now, I am clicking on it will show the current and it will show my draft. Then from there, okay, so not much difference. So I want to publish this, publish, and it is actually publishing. So the next thing, copy publish link. So I copy this, I go to another page, then I paste. So this is your website link. So if I copy this, I come over here, I paste. Now the only thing that makes this a little bit comma is that the site link is long and it is written there site.google.com/view/ebencourt/home, and with this you can see all of this. How do you see your website? If you want to go and see it again, to see your website, if you want to see it again, just go to your Google Drive. When you get to your Google Drive, you will see your website under your drive. So everything that you have designed is under your drive. This is my website over here. So as you can see, so that's how it works. And then if you have more questions, explore more, add a lot of designs around it, and then I'm very sure that you should be able to create a lot of ideas out of it, a lot of creativity, innovation out of this. And I will be creating more videos on how we can be specific about the kind of website that you can create with this later. I'll be specific with it. Maybe I'll talk about the first one, how to create children website with it. The next one, how to create the classroom website, the business website, and more. So stay tuned. I'll be right back with more video. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye.